Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel or if you are watching my video for the very first time, let me tell you I am Mehak in front of you all, or as I am going to show you some of the things that I bought currently from Amazon. So it's basically like a small Amazon haul. I opened up my makeup studio currently, like a small makeup studio. So उसके लिए डेकोरेशन के लिए मैंने कुछ सामान लिया और मेकअप का कुछ सामान जो मुझे चाहिए था and some jewelry also. So I'll be showing you that. So by not wasting much time, let's get started with that. So very first thing I'm gonna show is a small frame that I bought for my studio, and this is it. Work hard and dream big. So I just bought this cause I felt like some days are very demotivating, so this will keep me motivating. अगर कुछ ऐसा भी हुआ ना कि मन नहीं है काम करने का, तो I'll be just seeing this, I'll be just reading this, तो होगा है ना. You have to work hard. Okay, if your dreams are big, then you have to work hard. So let me show you all this frame, and this is having a stand behind it, so you can kept it anywhere you want. And this cost me rupees 299, that is 300. So the next thing I bought is very cute. अच्छी लग रही थी तो मतलब I just pressed and bought it. So I'll be showing you that these are small Buddhas. These look so cute now, and someone told me that it's really very nice to keep Buddhas at your workplace or at your home. They are lucky charms, I think. So these I bought from Amazon, and these were just of rupees 156. Like 4 of these you can get at rupees 156. But मुझे ये लगा था कि इनका साइज थोड़ा बड़ा होगा, लेकिन इनका साइज थोड़ा छोटा निकला. But it's okay, it's worth it. So moving towards my next thing that I bought from Amazon is these two beautiful stand. It looks so beautiful na. I think ये pen stand थे, तो I just used it for keeping my brushes, and I just loved this one. मतलब ये लगे हुए, ये पड़े हुए इतने अच्छे लगते हैं ना, like. And these cost me just rupees 539 only. There's 2 are of 539. You can completely trust me on this, and you can buy it. And even the quality is so good, and the quality is so high. It is in the steel form, and even it has the rubber below it, so this will not give any scratches wherever you can keep this. So the next two things are from my makeup vanity. Like I just needed that. One of the things was finished, so I just bought that from Amazon. That is Embryolysses cream. It is just amazing. Believe me guys, I cannot do without this. This cream is just amazing. It works as primer as well as moisturizer also. This is little expensive, like it cost me around 1990, but I cannot do without this. I just highly need it every time, for my clients, for me, like for every time. And the next thing I bought from Amazon is this flat brush, which is from ProArt, and it cost me rupees 290 only, and its number is PF01. This is used to apply foundation or the concealer under the eye, and this brush is really very amazing. पहले तो I was very confused that how the quality will be, because I have used ProArt brushes earlier also, but this is really very nice. So you can trust Amazon for brushes also. So this is really very amazing. And the next thing which I bought was a jewelry piece, and I was watching that for a very long time, and then I finally get that on Amazon, and I ordered that quickly. I will show you now. This is the one. Look how pretty this looks. Its quality is really very amazing, and even it looks very nice. You can wear it with any western outfit also. Like it looks really very amazing, and it cost me just rupees 229. Next thing I bought was a laptop table. That is, I think, a necessity for every home. You need it on your bed. You're working, or you're having your lunch, dinner, breakfast, or anything. That is really must in every house, I think. and this is very useful. It has the mobile stand on one side, and even you can keep the glass on another side, and its quality is really very amazing, and it just cost me rupees 799, that is 800 only, so you can surely buy it. So this was all, and this was my small cart from Amazon, and I hope you guys like my videos. And yes, if you like my videos, then don't forget to comment below, like my video and subscribe to my channel. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that you don't miss any of my video. And yes, let's be friends on Instagram too. The link is in my description box, so just click on that and follow my page. And one more thing, if you guys are liking this look, then you can see the tutorial on my Insta account. See you next time. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay home, and I love you guys. Bye bye.